VantageScore is owned by the credit bureaus. They created it in 2006 to provide a product to the consumer for purchase. VantageScore is a consumer credit scoring model created through a joint venture of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The model is managed and maintained by an independent company, VantageScore Solutions, LLC. VantageScore models complete with the credit scoring models produced by FICO. Like the models developed by FICO, Vantage models operates on data stored in the consumer credit files maintained by the three national credit bureaus. Vantage and FICO models use statistical analysis on those data to predict likelihood. To predict the likelihood a consumer would default on a loan. These models represent risk of loan default in the form of the three-digit scores, with higher scores indicating lower risk. VantageScore and FICO use different proprietary analytical methods, and scores from one system cannot translate into one from the other. And scores from one system cannot be translated into one from the other.